want a lunch break?
What do you mean you want a lunch break? You come in here, you don't do anything, and you got here an hour late today. What do you mean?
I'm like really tired and I just don't want to work today.
You didn't even do anything today, Aaron.
Yes, I did. I showed up.
Excuse me? Get back to work!
Whistle while you walk.